this is Jackie with WTI, and I love traveling, but one of the hardest part about traveling is running out of power on your phone and being stuck somewhere where you don't know the language and you can't charge your phone. That is the worst, and because of that, I have this for insurance. This is a portable power bank, and it has a really nice function of an LED light screen to tell you how much power it has. It is easy to charge. It actually charges right into the wall, or you can plug this into an adapter if you're in another country, but it's so easy to charge this power outlet, and then it lasts for so long. And one of the coolest things about it is that it has a lightning cord for Apple devices, but then it also has a USB-C cord for MacBook, but also has a micro charger for Samsung devices and other devices that are not Apple. So I'm able to charge 2 devices at one time, and I can charge either my phone and my computer, or my computer and my iPad, or a non-Apple device and my phone. It is such a lifesaver to have this. It's also really compact. It's about the size of my iPhone. It is not too heavy. It fits easily in my bag, so it's just perfect for traveling. You can take it anywhere on the go, and you never have to worry about running out of power again on your phone. Also, if it's running low on power, it will tell you, because this screen on the bottom tells you at what percentage the power bank is filled with power. So it is just so easy to use, so helpful, and perfect for traveling. But that's just my point of view.